be a candidate for high blood sugar. High blood sugar is caused in the body when we eat anything, it is converted to glucose or sugar in the body. If we have less insulin in the body, the sugar just hangs around or floats in the blood. The kidney has no option but to throw this sugar out of the body. The kidney throws this sugar out of the body and a lot of water also goes along with it. So the first sign that we generally experience if we have high blood sugar is excessive urination. You visit the loo very frequently even if you are not having too much water. That is because the kidney is throwing out the sugar that your body is not able to use. Along with the sugar goes a lot of water. The second sign is excessive thirst. Yes, when you are urinating too much, you tend to feel more thirsty. Your mouth tends to get dry very quickly, and that is the reason you keep drinking more water. Third, you are excessively hungry all the time. Even after meals, you are still very hungry. If you have eaten too much, immediately after some time, you are still very hungry. The reason is the body makes the glucose, but the body cells are not able to use that sugar. And that is the reason for energy, the body is asking for more food and you feel more hungry again immediately. Headaches and migraines. Headaches and migraines because whatever sugar the body is making, the kidney is throwing it out. You are at loss of energy, you need glucose and you experience a lot of headaches. Weight loss. In spite of eating so much, drinking so much, you see weight loss, you see thin arms, thin legs. The reason being the body is not using the glucose. So it starts using your own muscles. So you see weight loss, but this is not a healthy weight loss. You see muscle loss. So that is the reason you see a lot of people with a fat belly but very thin arms and legs. The body started using your own muscles for energy. Kidney damage in the long run. Many times when we don't pay attention to this small signals sent by the body, the kidney is busy with the same job of throwing out the excess glucose out of the body and is overworked and tired and fatigued. Over the years, we start seeing some changes in the kidney cells and that leads to kidney damage. Skin tags. Yes, you must have seen a lot of people have extra growth throughout their body, sometimes on the neck, sometimes on the back. These or even in the armpits. These skin tags are related to obesity and to high blood sugar in the body. Dark skin over the neck. Okay, there is this velvety dark patch over the neck, and that is one correlation between pre-diabetes, that means you are also overweight, and it is a correlation with insulin resistance. Insulin resistance means your body is not using enough glucose that you are producing. So that could be one sign of pre-diabetes. Itchy skin. Because there is lot of water given out from the body on daily basis, the skin is dry and leads to itchiness, and that is one sign. It could be thyroid too, but it can be also pre-diabetes. Yeast infections. Now yeast will grow anywhere where there is lot of water and lot of sugar available. So especially in your groin area, in your vaginas, you will find that there is a lot of yeast infection if you have high blood sugar, because you have high blood sugar going out of your body and plus a lot of water as well going. So it is very easy to experience yeast infections if you have high blood sugar. I hope these pointers are helpful. Do share these videos. Do leave your precious comments. It matters to us. Thank you so much.